Hey there, I've got an exciting video for you today. I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail. I'm an interior designer and I love to share budget finds that look amazing. So we are sharing the top Walmart picks of all time. Here they are. All right, so this cabinet I have shared in a reel, and it is a recent Walmart buy that I feel like is such a good bang for your buck. It's under $200 and it's a media console. It does require some assembly, which Ben did, and he said it wasn't crazy, but I love the arch in the door. And some people have asked about this. I ended up putting storage, blankets and then baskets in here, but there is also the little cutout if you want to, use it for a TV and have electronics that need wires to go through and stuff like that. It does have that, but I don't feel like it's very visible unless you're like low to the ground. You wouldn't really see it from above. And then also most of the time, I think people are gonna have some type of decor, or maybe you're gonna store movies or books in there. So anyways, super versatile. This also comes in black. They have both options. And I love this whole collection that has the arch details. It's the Juliet line from Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. So definitely love that. You can see how it kind of looks in the whole space. Just a really cute find. Next up is one of my favorite chairs of all time. You know them, the beautiful stripe fabric. They look like they're linen. They look so expensive, but they're not, because of course they're from Walmart. And they are from the Drew Barrymore collection called Beautiful. Some really good pieces in there, but I wanted to show you these up close because they are well worth it. I would grab these if you are looking for some chairs. All right, this coffee table is another Walmart favorite, and what I love about it is the scale. So this one, you can see, hopefully I'm giving a little bit of comparison, but it's nice and big, and it's hard to find coffee tables that have a good scale. So I think this is about 4 feet across, and then it does require some assembly, but this one I did myself, which is rare. And it was super easy, like maybe 20 minutes or something. And I feel like it just has a really high-end feel as well, and you cannot beat that price. It's nice and solid too. I'm up here in our mother-in-law apartment that I recently shared, and this sofa was a really good find. I think it's about $350 on Walmart, and it has, again, just such an expensive look to it. It's a cream-colored boucle, so beautiful texture to the fabric, and I love the curve. It has just that slight curve to the arm, and then it's I'll sit on it so you can kind of see the size too. I was impressed that it's as soft as it is. It's not one that's like too soft, but sometimes they're really firm and stiff. This one has a good, just comfortable feel to it. So that actually surprised me. I kind of was just like, well, we don't need to have the most comfortable sofa in the apartment, but this is more comfortable than I expected. So love that. And I just have not found anything that matches this price point for the quality and style. I love when Walmart does really high-end looking bedding, and this is a good example of that. This is from the Better Homes and Gardens collection, and you can see this cute striped one, which I have on just the cream side. It has a great stitch detail. It's like a little X. And then this one too, that has the diamond print and looks kind of like a gauzy fabric, also from Walmart. They have some great sheet collections, and especially when you're having to outfit a bunch of bedrooms, like maybe you're doing guest rooms and things like that, where you have a bunch of bedding you need to buy. This is such great quality, and the prices are amazing as well. These faux leather Walmart chairs were another recent find we did when we updated our gym, and I love how beautiful they are, but also how durable they are. The design looks like some other really expensive ones, and they've got a really smooth swivel. I love the wood look base and just how clean and modern these are. So those are just a few of my very favorite Walmart products. I'm going to link a couple other extras in the description below so that you can easily shop those. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments, and we'd love to have you like and subscribe while you're here. We'll see you next week.